Welcome, friends. I hope all of you are staying safe during this coronavirus times. Finally, the long awaited good news. Come July 1st, 2020, Indian Railways will speed up all three daily trains that run between the two metros, Mumbai and Chennai. We are now on the Chennai Mumbai route. We are now on the Chennai Mumbai trunk route in Krishna station just after Raichur. This decision by Indian Railways has been taken after it had completed 90% of doubling and electrification on the Mumbai-Chennai route. The trains are the Chennai-Egmore-Dadar Express, Chennai-Mumbai Mail and the Chennai-Mumbai Lokmanya Tilak Express. This major trunk route, which connects Mumbai with Chennai and also with Bangalore and Hyderabad, has been the most neglected trunk route in the Indian Railways. Let us look in the map to understand where I am coming from. We are traveling on the section between Guntakal and Wadi, which has been doubled and electrified since 2016. Now we are in 2020. Chennai, MGR, Chennai Central to all the way up to Mumbai is Pune, and then Mumbai is 1271 kilometers. Out of this 1271 kilometers, nearly about 300 kilometers of section is still to be completely electrified and also doubled. Electrification is pending because of the doubling work has not been completed. Now let's look at section by section. MGR Chennai Central to Tirupati, or not Tirupati, actually Renigunta, which is 138 kilometers, was completed way back in 2010-11. The section between Renigunta and Guntakal, a distance of 308 kilometers, was completed in 2013. And then from Guntakal on to basically up to Wadi was completed in 2016, and at the same time the Secunderabad to Wadi also was completed, linking Hyderabad and Secunderabad with Mumbai on the double electric line here. And then the section between Wadi and then Gulbarga now has been completed in 2019. So that actually we are talking about a total of 700 kilometers which has been completed so far. And then what is remaining is between Gulbarga and Dond, which is 300 kilometers. Dond Pune and Pune Mumbai CSMT has already been completed and trains are running. Now, what has changed? One thing that has significantly changed is that Indian Railways is now running trains with diesel attached over electric locos between Dond and Wadi junction. This essentially means the trains will depart from Mumbai CSMT with electric loco until Dond, and then at Dond you will get a diesel loco attached, which will travel through the non-electrified section till Wadi, or part of it, and then from Wadi the diesel will be discontinued and electric will take over and go through Guntakal. So essentially till the electrification between Wadi and Dond is fully completed, many trains would run diesel over electric. That means a diesel loco would be attached at Dond and detached at Wadi and vice versa. Let's see some of the trains that use this concept. Here you see a WDP4D over WAP7. which is WAP7 is shut down, and the Panto is down, and then at Doon it will come up and then start pulling the train towards the CSMT. Nalwar station near Wadi. The upcoming train is the Dadar Chennai Egmore Express. Now it's 12163, but now it has been full start from Lokmanya Tilak and then end up in Chennai Central. So it will become Lokmanya Tilak Chennai Central Express. And now it will also get a WAP7 end to end with a diesel between Wadi and Daunt. A WCAM called the train. This train has been speeded up by nearly 1 hour and 50 minutes in both directions. Here you see the Dadar Chennai Egmore Express with the diesel over electric, and from 1st July, as I said earlier, it will be between LTT and Chennai Central. The locomotive here which is dead now is the WAP4 22307. The biggest beneficiary is the mail between Chennai and CSMT. It will be speeded up by 5 hours in both directions. That's the biggest, big leap in time. That's the diesel loco, and here the electric loco at Gutti. The same train, Chennai Central CSMT mail. Will be renumbered as well and will be called as a Superfast Express now. The renumbered 22 something. Five hours speeded up. As I was telling, that this has been the most neglected section of the Indian Railway, and it is surprising that it's a route that actually connects 3 large metropolis of India. Mumbai, 4 rather, Mumbai, Secunderabad, Hyderabad, Bangalore and Chennai. And it is surprising, you would find that there is only one Shatabdi Express that runs between Pune and Secunderabad on this line, and some premium trains like the Rajdhani Express between Bangalore and Delhi. Now the express train, which shows the route with the mail, this has been speeded up by now 1 hour and 50 minutes in both directions. So all 3 trains have been speeded up. As I was telling, this section lacks premium trains, this section lacks really super fast trains, and only now the mail train has been converted into a super fast. So finally it is seeing some action, and hopefully in the future there will be better train and conveniences to the public. Thank you very much for watching this compilation. Look forward to seeing you. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe, press the bell symbol for notification. Jai Hind. Have a nice weekend and thank you.